My name is Hedley Jacobus. I'm the Bundu Rovers trip coordinator, and I drive a 2016 Land Cruiser 76. Today we're going on the Bundu Rovers Memorial Trip. It's a trip we do every year, and it's to commemorate and remember the members that we've lost over time. Every year we partner with the Kinale Forest block and KFS, and we go up and we plant and maintain 2 plots of land of the forest that we have up in Kinale. And so this year we're going to be going up and we're replanting plot number 1, which was the first plot that we planted when we first started partnering with them. So we have 280 seedlings that we're going to be planting that are replacing trees that have died in the plot that we planted previously. So this is a replanting. It's a maintenance planting that we're going up and doing now. And we do it in partnership with community. The community has already grown the seedlings, and the community has already dug the holes in the plot. So now our members are going up and we'll be planting the seedlings to complete this work.
You're looking for buffalo.
We are here to plant some trees, right, Malika? Yeah.
Okay. I'm told it's about an honor of maybe the. Okay.
A friend who is departed.
Okay.
And it's in a hopefully happier place.
Yeah.
Hairuzwi, haikatwi, ni kuchunga tu. Na wenye wanalima hapa ndio wana hiyo jukumu na kuchunga. Wakati anaweka fertilizer kwa hiyo chakula yake na hiyo mizizi yake inapata mbolea. Nyumba red jamaa kuna miti yake hapa ambayo alipanda. Na bado huwa tunaangalia sana na macho yote mbili. So let's go. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'm Karanja, representing the Community Forest Association on this side. Yangu ni mengi, lakini for now nitaongea machache. Niseme mko karibu sana, Bundu Rovers. We have been with you. You have done kazi ambayo inaonekana hapa.
Let's pray. Baba, katika jina lako la Yesu Kristo tumekuja mbele zako asubuhi ya leo. Tunalishukuru na tunainua jina lako kwa maana wewe ni Mungu. Tumekusanyika hapa Baba ili tuanze hii kazi. Tunakuomba Baba uwe pamoja na sisi tukianza hata tukiendelea. Tunasema ni asante na tukimalizia tutashukuru na tutainua jina lako. Na katika jina la Yesu Kristo aliye Bwana na Mwokozi wetu.
Karibu.
Thank you very much. Kwanza ningependa niwakaribishe mahali hapa kwa sababu ya neema ya Mwenyezi Mungu imekualeta mpaka mahali hapa. You are free. Kwa mahali hapa naitwa Kobro Christopher Mutai, in charge Rangers this side. I'm representing the Encom department. So you are all welcome. Ile miti yote mtapanda tutahakikisha kwamba tutaitunza.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Today wouldn't be possible without the partnership with the local community and the Kenyan Forestry Service. Represents a coming together of like-minded people who see the need for more trees, more seedlings, who see the usefulness of expanding Kinale Forest. And we've been partnering with the community and the Kinale Forest Station for many years. And we do this now to remember those of us that were here, who joined us in the past, and we continue on their memory through planting these trees and remembering how when we go through these communities as Bundu Rovers, we want to engage these communities. We don't want to be just driving through. We want to be engaging and enriching our lives and enriching their lives as well at the same time. So thank you for hosting us.
Welcome.
Very much appreciated.
Tabia zake yake kidogo. Tree planting at Kinale Forest.
Okay. I'm told it's a special location for you guys.
It is because that's part of what Bundu does.
Okay.
Yeah, so we conserve the environment. Because the environment makes it happen.
Okay.
Today I've done at least 15.
15?
Yeah.
That's a
Just that I
good
didn't keep
number.
the number, but
Yeah.
a couple of trees.
What?
I'm so happy with myself.
Okay. What
Fulfilling.
what impact do you think it's going to have to the community?
Not just the community,
Mhm.
the country. Do you feel like this place has a different feel?
Yeah, of course.
It does because of the trees.
Yeah.
So I mean that's what we are doing. That's our input for Kenya.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a really
Like
nice
for the
perspective.
generations that are
Kazi yenu ni mzuri na tulimhakikishia hii miti yenu tutaendelea kuilinda. So miaka nenda miaka rudi, hii miti itakuwa juu, haikatwi hii. Bila indigenous haikatwi. Na itakuwa hapa. Na ni kazi mzuri. Also wenye ambao huwa wanalima hapo ni hawa. Ndio wanasaidia na Kenya Forest kuchunga na kulinda. So community muendelee kulinda na kuchunga hii miti ya Bundu Rovers. And we are happy of you.
That's just how we roll. You know what it is, how we roll. You know what it is. That's just how we roll. You know what it is, how we roll. You know what it is, yeah.
my name is Ricky Aguda. I'm the chairman of Bundarovas Club, which is a 4x4 honors club. We basically, as club members, get together and do trips. That's the main thing that brings us together, and not just to do trips, but really to explore undiscovered parts of Kenya. So a lot of what we do is off-road driving, trip related. We have short trips with a night's camping, and sometimes longer trips for like a week. And when we do our trips, part of what we also try and do is engage with the local communities where we travel, and to support what they're doing around, especially conservation, because as a travel group we spend a lot of our time in the countryside, in the wild, and it's beautiful, but it has to be conserved. So a lot of our conservation or charity work in conservation revolves around tree planting, restoration of natural wilderness, which has so many effects. I think that I don't need to go into, but it's beneficial for us in so many ways. We also then partner with communities, tackling issues that we are typically kind of human-centered needs, but neglected. So this for us predominantly revolves around supporting communities where there are particularly children with neurological disorders, and in instances of health, addressing issues such as fistula that affects women. And again, it's a partnerships in those remote areas where there is not a lot of awareness about these issues and the effect, but we can bring awareness, and we can bring our own small support when we travel. So that's really what we do. Today's trip was our annual memorial drive, which is a day when we typically just set out to one of our charity conservation sites, which is in Kinale Forest, where over the past 5 years, Bundarovas has been partnering with the Forest Service and the local community to restore the riparian zone by planting indigenous trees. And today we were just visiting our site, which we have been working with over for some time, and just doing a bit of gapping. So there are some areas where some of the trees didn't establish, maybe they were uprooted or eaten by the animals. So the purpose of our visit this morning was to do a bit of replanting and gapping in that area. And of course, as a travel group, that then means when we do that, we also get somewhere nice and set up camp, spend the evening in nature, and you can see, you just feel the calmness when you're out here. It's exactly what you need to reset before you go back to the hustle and bustle of in the city or on the farm, if you're working on a farm or wherever else you're earning your daily bread. So that's simply put what Bundarovas is about. We are open for membership to anyone who owns a 4x4 and loves to travel. So believe it or not, this tree was planted in 2014. It's part of all of this, plus the fruit trees and all that were grown. And it was planted during one of the partnership events we went to provide families with a place where kids can receive therapy, education, then also possible employment for especially the mothers of these children. In their making shoes, bags, different things. That way, they just help the community to embrace the children who are suffering from those conditions and to provide for them. So when we do as a club causes such as this one, which are not the everyday, like a children's home. So we appreciate everyone who does work with children's home, but we try and look for causes that are a bit out of the way and not too many people are supporting them. So we've been partnering with Ubuntu Foundation since we set out, since probably 2010. Yeah, so this is the center behind us. It's a wonderful place. If you're going down to Naivasha and you use the Maimahi route and you're looking for pizza, cold drinks, nice weather, you can't compare with